Hey guys, Mark here and welcome back to another video. So one thing I noticed very quickly when I started backpacking is the food is expensive. Brands like Mountain House, they can range from between $7 and $15 a meal. I'm all about budget, so if I can save a couple dollars per meal, I'm definitely going to take advantage of that. And we all know the cheapest backpacking food out there is definitely ramen. We all know that you can get 5 of these for $1. That could be 5 meals for $1. It doesn't get any cheaper than ramen. Ramen gets old. Another option is these rice sides or even the pasta sides. I like the rice over the pasta because the pasta takes a lot longer to cook. And rubbery, tough, crunchy pasta is not fun. So I usually just stick with the rice sides. You can get those usually for $1. Sometimes the off-brand, like the Meijer or Walmart brand, for like 89 cents. But again, those can get bland and get boring. So I want to show you guys what I do when I don't want to eat the same rice sides or same ramen over and over again. And that's going to be these Bear Creek Country Kitchen meals, just like this. I have found this brand in almost every store I've been to. Walmart, if you're in the Midwest, Meijer, Kroger. Almost every store you go to will have this brand in. What I do is I'll pick up one of these between $3 and $4 and just divvy this out. And you can get a bag like this. This is an 8 serving vegetable beef. All you need to add to these is water. Generally, you don't need anything else. Now, the Darn Good Chili says to add like tomato paste and everything. I've never added tomato paste to that and it tastes just fine. It tastes awesome. So what I do is I'm a heavier set guy. So I've noticed that 4 servings is a pretty good hearty meal for me. So I just split the bags in half and portion them out into Ziploc baggies. That ends up being 2 meals for about $2 a piece. Now buying 3 bags of these will give you almost 2 pounds of food, or around 5 to 6 meals depending on how you portion them out and which style of food you end up going with. I personally like the Darn Good Chili and the vegetable beef. So once I portion these out, I flatten them down in the Ziploc baggies, and then I'll put them in my stuff bag or my food bag or whatever you use to store your food, and then that goes right into your backpack. Now, depending on which grocery store you go to and how expensive each package is, you're roughly ranging between $1.50 and $2 per meal, opposed to $9. So if you're like me, I try to cook in my little pots and pans as little as possible to eliminate burning and a lot of cleanup, and food that ends up getting all over the ground that attracts rodents and mice and squirrels, and you just don't want that. So a great option is to just purchase 1 Mountain House meal and then reuse that bag and put your prepared Ziploc baggie meals into the Mountain House bag and just reuse the bag on your entire trip. And just like that, that's how I've saved money on food while backpacking. So this is just another option, another idea for you guys. I know there's tons out there, but this is just something that I've done and I wanted to share with everybody. So thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one.